We have an MT and two MTs.
You know what?
Two MTs for some reason. They're both fully operational, by the way. Over there, if you can see it, that red thing, that's another MT. And over here, I think there's an MT as well. I can see it. Wherever it is. Nope, never mind. It's not over here. Those are the bells inside the 40 building. And there's the intercom going. Over there is an MT behind the tree. You can't see it, and I'm not even going to go over there. It's too out of the way. And of course, we're going to the gym room, and yeah. And there's two MTs over there. I don't know what that alarm is above it. But there's the Cricket MT. They're both fully operational, I assume. Over there is another alarm that I don't know the name of because it looks different, and we're going to be seeing it in a second. 9219. Oh, let me get in here. Let me get in here.
What you doing? Are you recording the wall?
Yeah. No. And another 9219. Bathroom. We have smoke and heat detector. And 9219. Here we have an MT. Here by the locker room exits. Over there is the ROTC building. I might review that area. They have, I think they have pretty unique alarms in there. You may have the same. I have to check it. But that's all the way across the field. So, it's gonna be a challenge if I'm ever going to go over there. And for some reason, like yesterday, we cannot head inside the locker room. I don't know. The guy that opened the door is not here. And yeah, it's pretty annoying. But next, well, yeah. So thank you, and I'll be heading back up to review the last of the alarms.